So now I will just add some styles on the page, not finish the pages, but some styles. This is the colors I will use, automatically generated in some page. So let me see how they look on my page. First I will add this orange color to my navbar. It's kinda too colorful, at least at the beginning. Let me see, with this green blue on the background form, I don't like it. Okay, let me see another one. Okay, background color, and here I will try everything with gray. Okay, maybe with a white color at the in my components. Let me check how they looks. Actually, browsers have these amazing tools now. You can change CSS at some classes and test before you create the class. Okay, looks really cool. I like it. Gray navbar, blue greenish background, white. I just will add some round corners there. It will be okay. So to add these styles I will use Sass. You find the Sass folder, and then you have the app.cscss that will compile your classes with styles to the file app CSS, and I will just use Sass for that. Let me just check some things here. Okay. Okay, you also have these variables to create your palette colors. They are really useful because in your CSS you just call blue, white, blah blah blah, the colors you want, and if you someday want to change the template colors, you just go there and change it. It's really helpful. I will not use it. Go directly to my CSS here. You need to add the app CSS file in your view, in your views actually, because if it doesn't exist, you will not see the changes of the CSS. Okay, here I think is working, so I will add. Okay, I will add the body in my, change it to my Sass file. I will add my background as a blue greenish color. I don't know the name of the color actually, I will just call it like that. Blue greenish. Why not? Okay. Oh, it's worked, so it's not perfect, but it's a good match, I guess. So I already round the corners with the radius on the div. I have some paddings. Another thing I notice is my inputs are not aligned. This is really important. Everything needs to be at the same level. It will be better. But for now, let me check how the stories look like. Okay, the same thing, they are not aligned, but the first thing I notice is this no image users. This okay, I will add an image for this to see how it will looks like. I'll go directly to the database for that. Okay, image. Okay. Let me see with an image how this look like. Yeah, much better. I just need to focus the comments. I will have a border actually. Um, this is maybe too much. Maybe some small gray. Yeah, yeah. A border 1 pixel solid gray looks better. I will actually add some scrolls here, and it will be better. Some paddings. It's really important to add some space between things. Other thing I want to see is how things looks like with a lot of text. To see the alignments on these small forms. Okay, it works. I have a data right truncated, maybe because I have too much text. Not sure. Okay, yeah, looks okay. Looks really okay. So now I will maybe highlight the story from the comments with the gray color and add some padding. It's really important to have space between things. Don't be worried about white space or empty spaces in your pages. They are actually a good idea. Things looks they can breathe better. Okay, I don't like this. Maybe lighter. Yeah, like this. Okay, I add the style on the page and it's look better at least. This is not the final template, but to show the point of the idea, I guess it's kind of work. Okay, let's jump to the home page. Everything looks okay. I just remember I need to add some spots for publicity. It's one of the prerequisites on the project. So for that I will just add a bootstrap card in my home, and just like that. In this card I will add an image, simple image. Maybe in the future I will add a hey tag with href to make it clickable, but for now I will just see how it looks with an image. Okay, it's working. I will add 2 of them. And okay, I'm actually this in the second row. Okay, okay, this it's much better side by side. Yeah, side by side it's really it works better. So add this into the second box like I said before. Okay, really cool. don't want this white space, I will remove the card body. You can change the style and make things adjust better, but in a lazy way I will just delete it. And it looks awesome, so that's it for now.